What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we got this gorgeous looking car right behind me. Of course, this car needs no introduction. This is the Zeekr 9X, by the way, for those of you who do not know. If you're looking forward to get a Rolls Royce, my advice is do take a look at this gorgeous piece of art. Now, I'm not really quite sure on when this car will be physically available in Malaysia, but nevertheless, let's admire this gorgeous looking plug-in hybrid model, guys. The setup is fantastic. Of course, thanks to Zeekr Malaysia for organizing this, but check out the Stardust effects lights that are on this rear part of the car. Now, firstly, let's start off with the front before we jump right into the interior, right? Check out the massive, gorgeous looking front grille. Of course, the most obvious part is this chrome stuff. Absolutely stunning. You've got your beautiful number plate holder that goes right down there. You got your 360 camera on this bottom part right here. These ones open up for air to flow through, cooling purposes for your battery. And you got your amazing lights for here, the DRL. You got this blue lighting at the side right here, and you got this sort of like galaxy light finishing at the front headlights. Absolutely amazing. Now, main headlights, I believe, should be somewhere around here. Turn indicators also should be either one of these. Damn cool. Chrome finishing happening all over the side right here. Badging is fantastic. Love the lines that pop right on top of the front hood, man, dude. Absolutely amazing. Now let's move to the side. You got your black gloss black wheel arch. Gorgeous tires, man, as you can see. Love the finishing. Two-tone finish here and there. Pirelli tires is what they're using. 285, 45, R22. Absolutely gorgeous piece of art. Side steps. Absolutely amazing. Of course, these ones will retract and go in. You got your camera right here. Some design-like finish on this side. Not functional, but yeah, kind of cool. Love the blue lighting right here. This, I believe, indicates that it's charging. My assumption, I believe so. Open up the doors is right here on this side. So let's press it. So when you press it, it opens up fully. Check out the interior, man, dude. Absolutely amazing, man. Love the Naim sound system. Finishing on the interior part, absolutely stylish. Speaker right there so as well. Gorgeous, gorgeous setup, guys. Check out the side mirrors that you can adjust. The window adjustments up and down. You got the lock and unlock. And other seat adjustments happening right here as well. Absolutely gorgeous. Love this texture-like finish. These should be your lighting on the inside part right there. Absolutely amazing. Now let's pop right into the inside. Of course, this is a left-hand drive. In Malaysia, definitely be the right-hand drive. Now, we will take a look at this shortly because this is not be the last place where I sit. But nevertheless, let's take a look at this part right here. So check that out. Automatic opening up of the rear and the front doors as well. But amazing finish, man, dude. Love the leather finish right here. Ambient lighting should be hidden right there on the inside. Absolutely stunning. You got the name sound system right here, over here, here. Compartment storage down there. Zeekr wording right there as well. Absolutely beautiful. Just love the seats, man, dude. Finishing is superb. Seat belts right in the seats. Damn cool, man, dude. Absolutely cool. Lumbar support and whatnot. So you can adjust it forward if you wish to. Now, since we are already in this particular setting, right, let me just hop right into the rear to show you guys how does the back actually fit like. So I'm going to be putting my leg on this right now, jumping right in. Take a look at the back part right here. Absolutely spacious and comfortable, guys. Such a beautiful car. Cup holder on this side. You got the compartment storage down here as well. Connectivities to charge your phone. Seat adjustments even for the back as well, guys. Absolutely amazing. Now you can adjust the shade if you wish to for the back part right here. Check that out. Absolutely amazing. You can lower this down if you wish to, or you can just cover that back up again. Fantastic. So nice. So let's put this button right back, right, and see where the chair actually goes. I love how the chair just slows its way back all the way to the back. Of course, my legs are there, but yeah, cool. Check that out. It just stopped automatically. Beautiful finishing of an interior, guys. So let's press this forward. Pushes forward all the way. Now let's jump right into the front seat. And let's take a look. So let's push this all the way back. I believe. Let me just press that. Okay, cool. Can even do it right here so as well. Damn nice. Right at the door. So let's hop right into the rear seat. Love the wooden finish that's happening on this side. Absolutely gorgeous. Ambient lighting over here. Air vent adjustments on this side. Press like this, I believe. Door should be closing. Damn cool. Love the glass right there as well. These ones can go front and back. Very nice indeed. you can rotate this particular two seats the other way around so that you can have sort of like a meeting where two people can be facing the other two opponents that are sitting right opposite. Damn cool. So this right here is a tablet where you can, or a small so-called phone device where you can take out and actually hold it in your hand to do some sort of configuration that you wish to. Amazing finish on the inside, guys. Setup of the screen is superb, absolutely superb. My goodness, a lot of gorgeous stuff that are happening on this side right here, guys. Fantastic. Absolutely amazing, man. Back home, and we are back at the main screen. Cool. I like it. Suede finish at the top, happening all over the place right here. There's a lot of things about this car that what you're seeing right now may not be available in Malaysia, but yeah, the car really looks amazing, dude. I mean, what else do you need? So let's open up the doors and let the door open up by itself. And boom. Let's get right down and check out the back seats of this car. Not the back seats, but more like the back boot space. So by lowering down the boot right here, of course, everything is just fantastic. I like how if you're done with it, I believe if I were to press on this, just closes that. And if I need that to be closing, just gotta press that. And that closes as well. So you can fold down the seats if you wish to. Now I'm gonna do that for you guys right now to show it to you. Let's do that again. One more time. Open that up. Okay, cool. Yeah, nice. That took some time, but nice, not bad. So let's fold down the left. Okay, cool. Nice. So this one right here is the right. So that's for the front two seats. Now, what about those ones at the front right there? I'm not sure if that's possible. Okay, cool. Now that's something that I gotta figure out on that side. But nevertheless, it does look already fantastic, guys. You do need more space. I mean, you can always go and find a way on what you want to do to make more space. But let's just pull those two seats back up. Absolutely gorgeous interior. So let's close it back. Just so you guys admire what's going on. Let's close that back down also as well. Love the brake lights that are hidden on the inside. Absolutely gorgeous car. Zeekr. What else you expect, my dude? Behind, chrome finish, gloss black finish. Love the number plate holder that goes right here. 360 camera right there. Love this stardust finish effect right here. Damn cool. Petrol goes right there also as well. Gorgeous finish of the interior. Okay, so on the inside part right here, we got your amazing finish of a front, supposed to be a driver because in Malaysia, right? But this right now is a passenger door. So let's open that up. Automatic opening up of doors as well. Let's close this down. Speaker for your name. Zeekr right there. Compartment, I mean, your leg goes right there also as well. So let's jump right in and have a seat. It's so weird because this is supposed to be a steering wheel that's on my place right here, right now. But nevertheless, massage seats are currently on for this car because the previous person sitting in turned it on. Damn cool. Compartment storage down here, and a lot of charging sockets here and there. Wireless charging on this side as well. So super cool. Love the screen that's happening on this side. Advent adjustments over here. Speaker right there. So absolutely beautiful and nice. So let's get right down. And let's close this back. One push and touch and it's already done. So let's jump right into the driver's seat to show you guys how amazing the driver's side looks. So finishing superb. So once again, absolutely weird for me to be jumping in the left side, for me to be sitting in this particular seat. But guys, take a closer look. Gorgeous two-tone finish of a wheel. Love the screen setup right here, similar towards the other models as well. Wiper settings right there. Gear is on this side, my favorite part. Wooden finish on this side and this side. So absolutely gorgeous finish of a car, guys. Love the speakers right there. So if I do push my leg on the brake, the door closes by itself. Wooden finish on this side as well. Absolutely amazing. The car is superb, man, dude. And guess what? You got your cameras for the rear. So that's damn cool as well, guys. Absolutely amazing. I love this car. Love the brand. Everything is fantastic about it, guys. Everything is fantastic. So let's get right down. And yep. If you're looking forward to find out more about Zeekr cars, I mean, just check out how the way they display their stuff, guys. Absolutely beautiful. On this side, even on the way how this whole place is designed to be, dude. Absolutely amazing. So thank you guys for watching. And if you find out more about this particular car, do head down all the way to Mitek right here to see this for the past 2 days that it's going to be at. Or maybe just find out more information directly at the showroom in Zeekr Sunway. Just check out the description below. Get in touch with Sarah. She'll be more than happy to assist you guys in your purchase of your brand new Zeekr 9X, Zeekr 009, Zeekr X, Zeekr 7X, whatever Zeekr you need. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.